question about inheritance. My dad is 89. He's got about $2.5 million, and so I think that falls under the current tax system. But he is reticent to set up a trust. He has the accounts set up on a transfer on death.
All right.
And then he's got the house in something called a Ladybird Trust. And I'm just curious if that's the best situation for me and my sister.
So, Paul, so first of all, your father can pass up to $11 million free of death taxes, also known as inheritance taxes, also known as estate taxes. What your dad is now thinking about is, how am I going to avoid probate? How am I going to avoid attorney's fees when I pass away? How am I going to make things simple, easy, inexpensive for my kids? And making his accounts TOD and using a Ladybird deed, off the top of my head, is a great idea. It'd be similar to what we would be recommending to him. One thing I would ask him would be, Dad, when was the last time you went and met with an attorney just to double check everything you've done, make sure you're still on the right track here? If he says it's been 5 years, I would still suggest he sit down and talk to an attorney just to see what's been done.
That's a great suggestion. And that does bring up another follow-up. Hopefully, a quick question is, he has his first son, my half brother. He has written him out of the will.
All right.
One of my buddies said that could cause more problems than it's worth. You should at least give him something. And I don't have any knowledge on
Paul,
that. Is that something you're
here in the state of Florida? Your father is not obligated to leave anything to his adult children. So, Paul, all I would ask would be that your dad definitely has a written will that in here says that I have intentionally omitted my eldest son, Bill. I've done that for my own reasons. It's not an oversight on my part. I would want to make sure that language is within his will.
Very helpful. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, Paul.